Welcome to your inviting retreat. This modern 4-bed, 3.5 bath home promises delight. Enter the warmth of hardwood floors and an electric fireplace in the living room. Bathrooms and laundry feature elegant granite countertops and tastefully tiled surfaces, enhanced by a recently refreshed paint job throughout. Stay cozy year-round with a split-unit HVAC system and ceiling fans in each bedroom, living room, and covered patio. Upstairs, the generous main suite offers a sizable, beautiful ensuite and a custom walk-in closet. 2 more bedrooms, another bath, and a convenient laundry area complete the upper level. The main floor includes an ADA-friendly bedroom and bath for inclusivity. Step outside to your private oasis, a fenced yard with a covered porch, leading to a 16 by 16 patio, perfect for entertaining. A substantial storage building meets your needs.